In the post-pandemic world, businesses have to go digital and fast. With consumer and market demand signaling a rapid digital transformation of all fields, companies have to follow suit. Embrace your digital transformation journey and make the business future-proof. Start with a download of this presentation now. Whether you want to take your business barely through the gates of the digital realm or wish to sell your digital transformation services to other companies, this presentation is your perfect client-winning pitch. Help the management make the decision to go digital with insights into the reasons or the need for it. Innovation, competition, customer, and employee influence top the list, as showcased in this presentation. Next, technology helps customers understand your product and service, increases the range and number of touch points, and leads to business improvement and top-line growth. In addition, performance management becomes a breeze with the right application of digital transformation tools. Download this digital transformation presentation now to transform your business and come of age. This slide presents industry research data about obstacles in the digital transformation journey to help businesses come up with a counter strategy. Take advantage of this to showcase your up-to-date knowledge and convince companies to hire your firm for smooth transformation. Use this PowerPoint design to create a step-by-step approach for the digital switchover of your business, which you build brick by brick. It covers everything from gaining new experience and growing digital DNA to adopting new technology. The end result: see yourself making more data-driven decisions that deliver big time. Plan the journey for digitalization with this clean, neat, and clear roadmap infographic. Visualize and set milestones to celebrate small wins on the way. Make the entire organization participate and witness the business-changing movements by distributing tasks along with their percentage contribution to digitalization using this presentation template. Don't forget to include the financial aspect of the transformation journey in your presentation. Allocate budget for digital platforms like websites, email, blogs, social media, and marketing strategies. Map all of that out using this PowerPoint template. Access these neat and professional digital transformation templates with a download of this PowerPoint presentations bundle now. Wrap up the presentation on a positive note, with a showcase of potential value addition to critical aspects of business like engagement, sales, traffic, customer satisfaction, and lead generation from digital transformation. These additional slides are a gift to help you introduce your firm, team, value, and expertise in a professional, engaging manner. There is one additional roadmap design in this PowerPoint presentations bundle. Make it easy for interested parties to stay in touch and make it easy for prospective clients to reach you. Share details like address, email, contact number, and much more. Download this all-inclusive digital transformation presentation now from the link below or visit www.slideteam.net for more premium category presentations on taking to digital transformation with flair.